To install Python, you'll want to go to python.org. You can see the URL on the screen here. Depending on when you're doing this, the latest version may be different. At the time of this recording, it's 3.13.2. Click the big Download Python button to begin the process. Then you'll open the execution file. And just click Install Now after clicking Add Python.exe to path. That's important. Once you see the setup was successful, you'll go to your command prompt and type py space -- version to see what version is showing to be installed on your computer to verify it. You might also need to type Python instead of py. Give py a try and then try Python if it needs the full word written out.